Hello Pat, so this is the new version of the Belbin test. Okay, so this is the first tab. This is where they start, so the Belbin test, they will have to put the name here and the date here, and here I just put some an introduction for as a small explanation of what the Belbin test is. I took this from the Belbin website, and I put the reference here, but if you want to put something else or something different, just let me know. Okay, so after they read this brief explanation of what it is, they can start doing the test by hitting this button here, and this will take us to the next tab. So developing test, here are the directions. So yeah, just give a numeric score between 1 and 10. You can that they can choose 1, 2, or 3 sentences depending on what better suits them, and here that they have to answer only in the cells that have this gray color, just to make sure that they don't change any of the other information. And also here I gave some examples just to make sure that they understand how to answer the test. So here is like a checkpoint, just that they can see what sections are being completed and which one aren't, and when they have completed all the sections, they can here and click here to go to results. This one is my results, but just to let you know here, so here is section A. So if they do something wrong, for example, they put a 5 here, so it doesn't sum 10 but 9, it's going to change this color and it's going to say that section A is incomplete or incorrectly answered, and here as well. So if they want to go and check the results, they can see here that something's wrong with section A, so they will probably have to go back and check what's wrong. Yeah, so how so it's only correctly answered if this sums 10, and if they have if they have chosen 3, 2, or 1 options here. If they choose more than 3, it's going to say that it's incorrectly answered as well. So just to let you know, for example, they have a 1 here, 1 here, and then a 2 here. It's summing 10, but they pick more than the ones that they should. So it's going to say that something's wrong. Something is wrong as well. Okay, so just change here, and yeah, the same logic for all the other sections. And this is just a checkpoint, just it's a tick, just to every time they answer one, they pick one of these sentences, is going to appear this little tick, just to let them know which one they pick, which sentences they pick. Alright, so this is done now, so everything is completed. So now you can go to results. This button is going to take us to the next tab called results. And since you told me that you wanted to give them their opportunity to print the results, maybe, so I use this format. So it's very easy to see that it's fitting in one page. So the first page I leave it blank. I left it in blank. Here is the name of the person, and just this title. Second page is going to show like the basic scores, so the scores on all the different roles of the Belbin test. The preferred team role, so here in this case, well, these are my results. So I have 14 in plant, 13 in shaper, and 12 in resource investigator. So, and therefore those are my primary, secondary, and tertiary team roles respectively. Here's a graph just showing like what are my inclinations. So plant, resource, and shaper, we can see here and that I lack some, I don't know, teamwork or characteristics of implementator. And here is like the normal bar chart that we previously used. The next page is about the primary preferred team rule. So here is going to appear this this little image here with the image of the plant. So it's going to say contribution, characteristics, and function. And yep, it's just a small summary of the characteristics of the plant. The next page is the same, but the secondary preferred team role. So in this case is Shaper, and I have to fix this. Sorry. Yeah, I will fix it later. I don't know what happened here. Alright, that's better. Alright, and here is the tertiary preferred team rule. So as well, contribution, characteristics, and function. On the last pages there are some strengths and weaknesses. So here for the three team roles, plant, shaper, and resource investigator, here is going to say some of the strengths, some of the weaknesses, and on the last page a brief piece of advice, some things the people that have this role should do and things that they shouldn't do. So yeah, that's it. That's a 7 pages report. I'm going to send you all the information where I got all this information as well. And yeah, just let me know what you think, if you want to add some more things, or yeah, whatever you think. And I forgot to tell you that here are 2 more tabs, but this one is not for the users, it's just for like control. So here are only all the pictures that we're using, and here is the data. So it's just like, yeah, it's a little bit deorganized, but the purpose of this is just to bring all the information from this tab to the results tab. So okay, tab. So let me know any feedback, and tomorrow I'm going to start to work on the other file, the cognitive file. So if you have some feedback and or something that I should know before I start, just send me an email or give me a call. Alright, bye.